You can live for weeks without food, but only a few days without water. Hydration is crucial for overall health, and there are many surprising ways to stay hydrated beyond drinking plain water. Let's talk cucumbers, folks. These green machines are the definition of refreshing, and they're practically swimming in water, about 90% to be exact. This high water content makes them perfect for hydration. That's right, biting into a crisp cucumber is like taking a mini shower for your insides. It's a burst of freshness with every bite. Now I know what you're thinking. Cucumbers? That's boring. But wait, there's more to these green wonders than meets the eye. But hold on a minute. Cucumbers are like blank canvases. You can get creative with them in the kitchen. You can slice them, dice them, add them to salads for a refreshing crunch, or even spiralize them for a fun twist, or even make some fancy infused water. Cucumber water is not just trendy, it's incredibly refreshing. Speaking of infused water, cucumbers are the MVPs. They add a subtle yet invigorating flavor. Throw some slices in a pitcher of water with some mint and lemon, and you've got yourself a spa day in a glass. It's like a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. The combination of flavors is simply delightful. It's like a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. But the beauty of cucumbers doesn't stop there. They're packed with vitamins and minerals, low in calories, and good for your digestion. Plus, they can help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Plus, they're available year-round, so you can enjoy their hydrating benefits no matter the season. Whether it's summer or winter, cucumbers are always in season. So next time you're feeling parched, don't just reach for the water bottle. Think outside the box. Grab a cucumber, give it a good wash, and take a big, juicy bite. It's a simple yet effective way to stay hydrated. Your body will thank you for it, so stay cool, stay hydrated, and enjoy the refreshing benefits of cucumbers. Strawberries, nature's candy, a summer staple, and you guessed it, a hydration hero. These juicy red gems are about 90% water, making them a delicious way to sneak in some extra fluids. But strawberries aren't just about hydration. They're packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or even freeze-dried for a crunchy snack. Now let's talk smoothies. Strawberries are a smoothie superstar, adding sweetness, texture, and a vibrant red hue. Blend them up with some spinach, banana, and almond milk for a refreshing and hydrating breakfast or snack. But don't limit yourself to smoothies. Strawberries are fantastic in salads, adding a touch of sweetness and juicy texture. Pair them with spinach, feta cheese, and a balsamic vinaigrette for a refreshing and flavorful salad. And let's not forget about desserts. Strawberries are a classic topping for cakes, pies, and even ice cream. They add a touch of sweetness, acidity, and juicy goodness to any dessert. Yogurt. It's creamy, it's tangy, and it's a secret weapon in the fight against dehydration. This humble dairy product is more than just a tasty treat. You heard that right, folks. Yogurt isn't just for breakfast anymore. Yogurt, that breakfast staple, is about 85% water. But wait, there's more. It's packed with nutrients that your body craves. Yogurt is also a probiotic powerhouse, meaning it's loaded with beneficial bacteria that keep your gut happy and healthy. These probiotics aid digestion and boost your immune system. And a happy gut, my friends, is a happy you. When your digestive system is in good shape, you feel better overall. Now, I know what you're thinking. Yogurt for hydration? That's crazy talk. But hear me out. This isn't just any hydration, it's sustained hydration. Yogurt is like a sponge, soaking up water and holding onto it for dear life. This unique property makes it an excellent choice for keeping hydrated. This means that when you eat yogurt, your body gets a slow and steady release of hydration, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. It's like having a personal hydration assistant. Plus, yogurt is incredibly versatile. It can be a part of any meal or snack. You can enjoy it plain, savoring its natural tanginess, top it with fruit and granola for a breakfast parfait, adding a burst of flavor and texture, or use it in savory dishes like dips and sauces. It can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary. And let's not forget about frozen yogurt. It's a delicious and refreshing treat that also happens to be hydrating. Perfect for those hot summer days. It's a delicious and refreshing treat that also happens to be hydrating. A win-win for your taste buds and your hydration needs. So next time you're looking for a healthy and hydrating snack, reach for a cup of yogurt. It's a simple choice with big benefits. Your gut will thank you for it, and so will the rest of your body. Chapter 4. Herbal Infusion, a world of flavor and hydration. Let's talk herbal tea, folks. This isn't just any ordinary beverage, it's a world of flavors waiting to be explored. When it comes to hydration, it's like the Swiss Army knife of beverages. Versatile, handy, and always ready to refresh you. Hot, cold, fruity, floral, you name it, there's an herbal tea out there with your name on it. Each blend offers a unique experience. Now I know what you're thinking. Herbal tea, really? That's just hot water with a tea bag in it. But there's so much more to it than that. But hold on a minute, let's dive deeper. Herbal teas are packed with flavor and potential. Each ingredient brings its own set of benefits. Take peppermint tea, for example. It's not just refreshing, it aids digestion and can even help soothe a headache. Imagine sipping on a cup of peppermint tea after a heavy meal. It's like a breath of fresh air for your stomach. Or how about chamomile tea? This one's a classic. It's known for its calming properties and can help you unwind after a long day. And the best part, it's like a warm hug in a cup. Herbal teas are naturally caffeine-free, so you can enjoy them any time of day or night without worrying about getting the jitters. Perfect for late-night relaxation. So, next time you're feeling parched and you're tempted to reach for a sugary drink, ditch the sugary drinks and reach for a cup of herbal tea. It's a healthier choice that your body will appreciate. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Embrace the world of herbal infusions and discover a new way to hydrate. Chapter 5. Coconut water, nature's sports drink. Coconut water. It's the OG sports drink, folks, and for good reason. This tropical elixir is packed with electrolytes, which are essential for keeping your body hydrated and functioning properly. Now I know what you're thinking. Coconut water? That stuff tastes weird, but trust me on this one. Coconut water has come a long way from its humble beginnings. These days, you can find coconut water in all sorts of flavors and varieties. From plain and unsweetened to mango-infused and chocolate-flavored, there's a coconut water out there for everyone. And the best part? Coconut water is naturally low in calories and sugar, making it a much healthier alternative to sugary sports drinks. So, next time you're feeling parched after a workout or a long day in the sun, ditch the sugary drinks and reach for a refreshing coconut water. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 6. Smoothies, hydration in every sip. Smoothies. They're like the culinary equivalent of a multivitamin, packing a powerful punch of fruits, vegetables, and you guessed it, hydration. Now I know what you're thinking, smoothies. That's just a fancy way of saying fruit salad in a blender. But hold on a minute. Smoothies are so much more than that. They're a blank canvas for culinary creativity, allowing you to combine your favorite fruits, vegetables, and liquids into a delicious and nutritious drink. And the best part? Smoothies are incredibly hydrating. The fruits and vegetables in smoothies are naturally high in water content, which helps to replenish your body's fluids. Plus, smoothies are a great way to sneak in some extra nutrients, especially if you're not a big fan of eating your fruits and vegetables. So, next time you're looking for a healthy and hydrating snack or meal replacement, ditch the sugary drinks and reach for a refreshing smoothie. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Chapter 7. Broths and soups. A warm and comforting way to hydrate. Broths and soups. They're the culinary equivalent of a warm hug on a cold day, providing comfort, nourishment, and, you guessed it, hydration. Now, I know what you're thinking. Broths and soups? That's just hot water with stuff in it. But hold on a minute. Broths and soups are so much more than that. They're culinary chameleons capable of transforming simple ingredients into flavorful and satisfying meals. And the best part? Broths and soups are incredibly hydrating. The base of most broths and soups is water or stock, which helps to replenish your body's fluids. Plus, broths and soups are a great way to sneak in some extra nutrients, especially if you're feeling under the weather. So next time you're feeling parched or in need of some culinary comfort, ditch the sugary drinks and reach for a warm and comforting bowl of broth or soup. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. So, there you have it, folks. Hydration doesn't have to be boring. From crunchy cucumbers to creamy yogurt and flavorful broths, there are countless ways to sneak more fluids into your day. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining your energy levels, regulating body temperature, and keeping your cells happy and healthy. So, get creative, experiment with different hydrating foods and drinks, and find what works best for you. Your body will thank you for it.